Imagine waking up each day with a purpose, armed with the tools to build your dream life. It's not just a whimsical idea. It's a reality waiting to unfold through your daily habits. Every small step you take contributes to the grand tapestry of your future. This journey, though seemingly slow and mundane, is where the real magic lies. Today we'll uncover 10 transformative habits that can ignite your potential and lead you towards a fulfilled life. First, let's talk about morning wins. Each dawn presents two choices: embrace victory or succumb to regret. By making your bed, hydrating, stretching, or jotting down 3 priorities, you lay a strong foundation for your day. These simple victories empower you, nudging your mindset towards control and ownership. Imagine stepping into the day feeling accomplished, ready to tackle whatever challenges may arise. Remember, when you seize your mornings, you seize your life. Next, we must move our bodies. Your physical health forms the bedrock of your mental and spiritual resilience. You don't need to hit the gym for hours. Even a brief 15-20 minutes of movement, like walking, yoga, or simple exercises, can rejuvenate your energy and sharpen your focus. Picture the energy coursing through you as you engage in movement, elevating not just your body but your mind as well. Strong body correlates directly with a strong mind, propelling you forward towards your aspirations. Reading is the next cornerstone in this journey of self-improvement. The most successful individuals never cease their quest for knowledge. By dedicating time to read just 10 pages daily, you can devour over 3,000 pages in a year. Visualize the life-changing ideas that wait within those pages, ready to reshape your path. One book can ignite a spark, steering you towards boundless opportunities. Gratitude, the next powerful habit, invites miracles into your life. Each night, note 3 things you are grateful for, fostering a mindset of abundance. Imagine your brain rewiring itself, shifting focus to solutions rather than problems. This simple act is your ticket to happiness, transforming your perspective. Consider a digital detox as your sanctuary from overwhelming noise. Giving yourself at least 1 hour each day free from screens cultivates clarity and allows your creativity to blossom. Picture a mind unburdened by notifications, a blank canvas ready for inspiration. Finally, the company you keep plays a pivotal role in your development. By choosing to be around motivated, positive individuals, you create a supportive environment that fosters growth. Visualize the energy exchange as you connect with driven souls propelling you towards your dreams. Remember, your journey requires both intentional steps and the right company. Embrace these habits and watch as your dream life begins to materialize. Motivation can be likened to a fleeting spark, igniting your energy at times but just as quickly fizzling out when you need it most. Meanwhile, discipline resembles a steadfast fire, consistently radiating warmth and illumination, unaffected by unpredictable moods. To nurture a flourish of achievements, make a commitment to systems rather than relying on transient feelings. Establish routines so robust that they transcend your present emotional state, embodying the essence that discipline ultimately equals freedom, a freedom to pursue your aspirations with unwavering resolve. One of the key habits to cultivate is the idea of giving more than just taking. Life isn't a mere exercise in accumulation. It revolves around the incredible value we can bring into the world. When you invest your time in helping others, sharing knowledge, and offering acts of kindness without seeking rewards, you set in motion a powerful cycle of reciprocity. The universe is keen to return your generosity, often amplifying it tenfold. This essence of contribution fuels meaning in your life, which in turn fuels genuine happiness. Cultivating this habit not only enriches your own experience, but also uplifts those around you, reinforcing a cycle of positivity. Consider the importance of reflection as you conclude each day. As the sun sets, take a moment to ponder. Did I grow today? Did I move closer to the life of my dreams? Reflection transforms experiences into valuable lessons, paving the way for tomorrow to be even better than today. Remember, the journey isn't one striving for perfection, but rather for consistent progress. Your habits are gradually crafting your future, with each choice shaping your desired life or pushing you toward escape. Start small. Zero in on one habit. Dedicate today to practice it and then escalate, stacking one practice on top of another. Eventually, you'll look back in awe and see a life you once envisioned as a mere dream manifesting before your eyes. Take the initiative. From those 10 habits, select the one to incorporate into your life today. Remember, a fulfilling life isn't left to chance, it emerges from the choices you make.